Hello, I'm Francesca. In this video, we are looking at this digraph that has got two letters, O and W. This digraph can make two different sounds, ow like cow or O like low. Today we are reading some words that have the sound ow in them. In another video, we will focus on the O sound. Ow, cow. He knows how to milk a cow. Ow, now. We are reading now. Ow, how. How do you go to school? Owl, owl. The owl is on the tree. Ow, vow. I made a vow in front of my friends. Ow, down. Write down this tricky word, please. Ow, bow. The boy gave me a bow. Ow, gown. You wear a red gown. Ow, town. We are new in town. Ow, crowd. There was a large crowd at the concert. Ow, frown. There's no need to frown. Cheer up. Ow, brown. My suitcase is brown. Now I'm going to read all these words one more time. Can you read them before I do? Have a go. Cow. Now. How. Owl. Vow. Down. Bow. Gown. Town. Crowd. Frown. Brown. Thanks for watching.